Okay, we're doing a little bit of a weird video today. Weird as in, like, I just haven't filmed one in 100 years. So I'm doing a setup of my print impression A5 wide planner, and it is for like last year because I never really did like a proper setup. So I'll go ahead and show you what's already in here, and then we'll get into like kind of what I'm doing. This is gonna be a very simple setup because I feel like, and I might add more things before this video ends, so I might show you things and you'd be like, oh, like, where did that come from? I'll show you. So this is like the base of my setup that like, this is what it looked like all year. Well, this is like half of the year, you know, this started in July. So all I have over here is a journaling card, and then I have a Plan a Hannah custom year that I just plop on top, right? And then I have my dividers. These are from Print Impression, and then I have also the Print Impression little tab stickers, and then I use the SPC Edit inserts, obviously. And then I also just have some Aura Estelle journaling card pieces back here, but I'm pretty sure I want to switch these out. For what? I'm not like 100% sure. I might like go into this collection and just print out a couple of pictures and then put them back here. I haven't quite decided, or maybe I'll put like actual pictures back here. I don't really know. But yeah, so things that I brought out to play with, shall we say. I do have just a really simple like acetate and glitter paper. This glitter paper is from Amazon. I will link it down below. I just cut it to size and punched it. And then I have this Fox and Pip like acetate. It might have been like a Sparkly Paper Co. collab or something. I don't really remember, but it was the vertical one. I got rid of all of the horizontal ones just because like they don't really work like for what I use them for. So using that one. And then as far as other things go, I do want to put a patch on the front. This is an iron-on patch that says pass holder, but I'm kind of making this like lightly Disney themed. So I'm going to try sticking it on with E6000 and see kind of what happens. Who knows? It could be great or it could be bad. Also, my planner is very, very dirty because I just am rough and tough in that aspect. And then I have a bazillion like decals and things to like mess around with. I haven't really decided what I want to do. I more have a vision kind of what I want to do with my planner for this current year, but I just kind of wanted to add some things to this when I went through and organized all of my vinyls to kind of like spruce it up. There's a bunch of stuff in here from Fox and Pip, no white space stickers, Wish Upon a Magic, I think that's what it's called, some from Jasenia, my shop, possibly random shops that I don't really remember. I just love vinyls. I have one of me and Hannah here, which I think is perfect. Professional Overthinker, that's from the Honeybee shop, I think. This, I think, is from Jasenia. Just a lot of different things. I, at one point, was like a huge vinyl buyer, which just makes me want to go buy more vinyls for this like sole purpose of like, well, I'm going to have future setups, you know? Okay, let's go ahead and give you a little flip. I also might give you a little flip of another planner I set up because I don't think I filmed it, but maybe I didn't film this one. I'm going to show you both. I don't remember which one I filmed, so it'll be a surprise for me and you, but this is my off-camera planner from the end half of last year, and I just wanted to show you my setup. So I went a little bit dark and spooky with this one, not sure why, but it was just the energy that was giving. And this is a Print Impression A5 wide SPC Edit planner with the like lattice front, which is so pretty. Definitely need to get another one to hoard because whenever I like have my planners like inside of the planner, inside of here, I don't really move them in most cases because the amount of time and energy I put into like the actual plans, I want to have a permanent home for her. So this is staying here. So over here we have a journaling card from my shop, and then I have a 2023 from Hannah. Up here I just have some Honeybee shop. I believe they're all from Honeybee shop. Little die cuts, but I thought they gave like spooky-ish energy. Over here I just have like a chunky black glitter paper I found and put a bunch of different stickers here. I'm not really sure where they're all from. I think this one's from No White Space Stickers, and then this one might be from See Amy Draw, but the rest, Not entirely sure. I think this is, I can't think of what her name is. Yeah, I'm not sure. And then this one's like a pretty minimal setup, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'll probably put another glitter paper here, but I was thinking that maybe in the future I would go back like and back plan, because this isn't technically a full last half of the year. I started it, I think, like September. So I might end up doing this. I didn't really want to like box myself in the front. And then back here I just have, this is from Hannah's shop, but it's art from my shop, and this is the Riddle family grave. And then down here, this is from No White Space Stickers, I believe, and this is just like an Epcot ball print, but I thought it worked with the like black and white and like spooky kind of situation. So that's that one. And then, oh my goodness, you know how many times a day I like knock my Stanley over? We'll just do that. And then the other planner that I set up, I don't remember which one I filmed. I think I filmed this one, is my planner for the beginning of last year in my filming planner. And this one is another print impression, A5 wide in, I don't know if it's like a white and then with gold, question mark. I glued this on with like that 1600 or 6000 glue or whatever patch. I have a bunch of little stickers up here. I'm not sure where any of them from, if I'm being honest with you. And then I have a journaling card from my shop here with the 2023 from Planet Hannah. Over here, I do have a acetate. I believe this is from Fox and Pip, because that's Fox and Pip bow. And then a little like metal A that I just found in my stash. I think I got at Hobby Lobby or something. And then I also have some glitter paper here that is like champagne. I thought it kind of went with the like luxe Disney vibes. And then I just went to town with decorating with different stickers and things that were like pretty and cute and fun. And then this one, it is like seamless through the year, so I didn't decorate any other pages, but I thought having some of my favorite things on here would be really, really fun. And then if you flip to the back, I just put like this rose gold glitter paper on here, which is cool because I think this is like pixie rose and rose gold. And then in the back, I just went ahead and printed these out. I didn't have journaling cards of these, but these were other scenes in this kit, and I just went ahead and printed them out on regular printer paper and just cut them to size. And I think it turned out really, really cute and fun and magical. And that is everything for these two setups. I hope you liked the videos, and I will, or the video, and I'll talk to you next one. Bye!